Good morning. Yesterday, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been asked to vacate the government allotted bungalow, or you can say government allotted accommodation within 1 month's time. I mean, she need to vacate the government accommodation bungalow, and the deadline is 1st August 2020. And state order was issued by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The Priyanka's address 6B, house number 35, Lodi Estate, New Delhi. This was allotted to Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on the basis of SPG protection, means a special protection group. So Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra used to get SPG protection, and on the basis of that especially protection, she was allotted this huge bungalow, which she has to vacate within 1 month of time. But right now the entire Gandhi family's SPG protection has been withdrawn, and they get Z plus security. So as because she is not getting that SPG protection, so normally government has asked her to vacate the bungalow. Now let's go to the little if you go previous year, in the month of November 2019, Modi government has passed a rule that SPG protection will only be given to Prime Minister of India. Means in India, Narendra Modi only get SPG protection, nobody else gets get SPG protection. And so but the Gandhi gets the protection of CRPF or Z plus security. They get the Z plus security. Now when this when in the year 1985, after the assassination of Mrs. Late Indira Gandhi, our Prime Minister, this SPG protection was raised and said has been said SPG protection will be given to Prime Minister and his immediate family members. So after Indira Gandhi's assassination, Rajiv Gandhi and family was given the SPG protection. So after the death of Rajiv Gandhi's Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi used to get SPG protection, but in the month of November 2019, Narendra Modi government has changed the rule, and only right now Prime Minister of India get SPG protection. No Gandhis get Z plus security. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra needs to vacate her bungalow within 1 month of time. If Mrs. Vadra stays after 1st August, then she will be charged. She will be charged for the damage charges and the penal rent as per the rules. So she will be charged for rent or everything if she is staying in the same bungalow after 1st August 2020. Now, why this SPG protection was removed from Gandhi? Because last year there was a security panel, there was a review of security panels, and the security panel review was done on the basis of the threat analysis, that who are the person who are having threat. So on the basis of that decision was taken that right now there is no threat to the Gandhi family, so SPG protection is not there. They can be given as Z plus security. So that is the reason why SPG protection was withdrawn. Now we know that after we came to know that after getting this news order, Mrs. Vadra cleared all her pending dues till June 30th 2020, and it was amount to rupees 3,46,677 rupees. So after getting this order, Mrs. Vadra cleared her dues, which was 3,46,677 till 30th June. And the bungalow where she live, it's very costly and posh bungalow. The rent should be much more high, but somehow in the year 2002. She has convinced the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government on the rent of this bungalow, and she managed to reduce an 83% reduction in the actual rent of that bungalow. So you can understand 3 lakh something is nothing in the location where she is living, and it was a very big bungalow. And this Gandhis are allotted. She is staying in this bungalow from 21st February 1997. So Mrs. Vadra is enjoying this luxury from 21st February 1997. When 2002, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee government was there, she managed to reduce the rent of the bungalow she got 83% reduction. And when she got the news, she cleared all the dues and which amount 3,46,000 rupees. Now it should have been more high. So she need to vacate the bungalow, that is clear to all. Now the thing is that in India we know that a special treatment is given to these Gandhi families. We have seen Priyanka Gandhi's mother-in-law was given security was given to her when she is not a member or a family member of Rajiv Gandhi. She is a mother-in-law, but she was given security. And we also know that Sonia Gandhi has got a bungalow, huge bungalow. Rahul Gandhi has got a huge bungalow. Now there was a question raised regarding the withdrawal of Rahul Gandhi will have to vacate the bungalow or not. That was a question raised, I think, previous year, because Rahul Gandhi is just a member of parliament. He is a member of lower house of the parliament, but the bungalow that he enjoys right now is a luxurious one. He is not eligible for that. And at the same time, Sonia Gandhi is staying in the bungalow which was allotted to Rajiv Gandhi, but she is also a member of a member of a lower house of the parliament, but she is staying in the same house which was allotted to Rajiv Gandhi for last 30 years. So I don't know why these Gandhi families have got this love for the bungalows. On moral ground, they should Rahul Gandhi should say, I will be going to either I will go to the private apartments or the MP where the member of parliament stays. But no, they will have to stay in the huge bungalows. Hopefully the days will come when Rahul Gandhi will have to vacate the bungalow, because he is not eligible for that. Now, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra clearly knows that she was given the bungalow for SPG protection only. Now, SPG protection was withdrawn in the month of November 2019. Then, on which moral ground she has not vacated the bungalow for past 6 to 7 months? It is like a shameless thing, because in the month of November the SPG production was withdrawn. I think by January, February or something or December itself she should have vacated the bungalow. But no, the love for bungalows for the Gandhis can be seen. And when a letter came, and when said they gave a deadline, then she will move to I think she will move to Uttar Pradesh. So Congress will try to do Congress will try to do politics in that, no doubt about that. But it's a rule that she was given a bungalow for SPG, but now she is not. Now you must see that Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is the General Secretary of All India Congress Committee and in charge of Eastern UP. So her focus is for 22 election. She is keeping quiet in this matter. She has cleared the dues. Yes, Congress is jumping too much on this matter, but I also feel that she will go and stay in Lucknow, as she is looking after Uttar Pradesh, and from Lucknow he is going to hit Yogi Adityanath, and will be her political campaign. One, she will say that it is a political vendetta that she has been removed from the bungalow. At the same time, it will be easy for her to go and stay in Uttar Pradesh and do her political campaign over there, because staying in Delhi and focusing on Uttar Pradesh is going to be difficult for her. So whatever it is, right now, within 1 month of time, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will have to vacate her bungalow which was given to her on just because of she was getting the SPG protection. If you like my video, then kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you very much.